Hey everyone, this is Mr. Strickland. The purpose of this video is to go over how you can navigate through Canvas for our course. So first things first, every day when you come in class, well first you need to click on the class that you're in. So for example here I'm looking at Math 3 Honors. Of course this also applies to my other class for Math 1. Okay, so you're going to click on the class you're in. So if you're in Math 3, you want to click on Math 3. Math 1, you would click on Math 1. It's going to take you directly to our home page. Okay. At the bottom of the home page are a couple of links that you can click on. Okay. Two of the most important ones that we're going to use throughout the semester is the Enter Here and the live lessons. Okay. So, well, first of all, let's talk about live lessons. What live lessons is, okay, when you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page that gives you access to your class for that day, okay? So every day, let's say you're in first block, Math 3, first block, you're going to click on live lessons, okay? So again, from our homepage, we're going to scroll down to live lessons. We're going to click on first block class link so we can go to class. Okay, and if I click on that, that's going to take me or take you directly to the Google Classroom. Okay, and then same thing is true for second block. For my Math 1, I only have one section of you guys, so you're only going to see one of these links here. Okay, for Math 1. All right, so that's the first important link to go over. The second one that's really important to us is going to be Enter Here. Okay, so every day I'm going to have instructions in the classroom as far as what you need to be doing and where you need to be going. A lot of the stuff that you need to access is through this Enter Here link. Okay, so when you click on this, it's going to take you to a separate page that divides out all of our units. Unfortunately, you're not going to have access to many of these units because I probably won't have them unlocked for you until we get home. Okay, but I'll tell you. So, for example, sometime this week, I'm going to say, "Hey, I need you to go to Unit 1." And you're going to click on Unit 1, and then I would tell you which lesson we're on. Okay, so I would say, go to Unit 1, Lesson 2, and of course, all these lessons they're going to be dated next to them to make our jobs easier. Identify where we need to be, okay? But you're going to click on the lesson link, okay? Let's say I wanted you to go to Unit 1, Lesson 2. You're going to find Lesson 2, and you're going to click on this lesson link, okay? And then it's going to bring us here where, and this is going to look different to us, but on this page will be a bunch of information. I'll tell you what you need to access, okay? For example, it'll take you to this page, and I'll say, go ahead and click on the warm-up link and get started on the warm-up. And this is what I'm referring to. Okay. So just as another example, if you clicked on this one, they just bring up different activities for you to work on. All right. So again, from our home page, okay, when you come to class, to go directly to our class, you're going to go through live lessons. Okay, once you're in there, I'm going to have some type of instruction on the PowerPoint as far as what your expectations are. Typically, at the start of the class, it's for you to get started on the warm-up. To get started on the warm-up, you have to come to this button right here where it says Enter Here, and then you're going to go to whatever unit and lesson we are on for that particular day. Okay. All right. Something else that's important to us within Canvas. Let's cancel out of that. Sorry, guys. Is your grades. Okay. So a lot of the assignments that we have in Canvas, I'm going to have you submit it through Canvas, and Canvas will grade it for you automatically. But if you go to grades, you'll be able to see which assignments have been given out by me and which assignments have been graded. This has a little loading section right now because I haven't released anything into Canvas. Okay, so as you can see here, they all say unpublished.